Alright, I won't.
Yeah.
I said eternity, not you, Raven. Alright. Sorry, eternity. Then why were you in the pool?
I wasn't. Okay? I was beside the pool.
On today's episode, it was Raven and the hose. Who won? The hose! It's like bobbing for groundhogs.
Hello. Hello.
Are you hiding now too?
Hello. Don't do it to me.
All right. If we water it, we'll watch a kid grow. See, look, a kid grew. All right. See, on today's episode.
No.
All right. That was Raven and the hose.
Have an eternity and the hose.
No, we promised. You already got her with the hose.
I got it.
All right. No spraying it, though.
I tried to get that thing.
Eternity, remember, bare feet stays inside the sidewalk on the driveway. Don't want to hurt your little feet. Rawr.
How about water in the hose?
Water in the hose?
Yeah.
Well, water's coming out of the hose.
Yeah, but still water in the hose.
Well, you can do this. Watch. Ready?
Okay.
Sorry, Eternity. My bad. Dang. Oh. Okay. What not to do when filling a pool.
No, look what you did to my stinky glasses, Raven.
Want me to dry them?
Yeah.
Okay, pass me your towel.